Hello students, welcome to eTuition, Education for Better Tomorrow. So students, I'm your English teacher, right? So remember we did one session of sentence, right? Now we will be learning step by step what is sentence all about and everything. So we did an introduction video of there, right? So here we will be doing some other topic, okay? Let's see. What is the topic's name? What is it written? It's written a story. Now you will be thinking, ma'am told us that we'll be doing one topic, like a topic should be seen, right? And why is the story visible? Now, before starting a story, starting this topic, let us read the sentence and then we will understand how this sentence is linked to the story or linked to the topic that I'll be teaching to you. Okay? So, first let us begin. Rajiv is a good boy. He goes to school by bus. His friends are Rohan and Raju. Okay? Let me repeat it again. Rajiv is a good boy. He goes to school by bus. His friends are Rohan and Raju. Now, can I ask you one thing? Can you tell me what is Rajiv? Now you will say Rajiv is the name of a boy. Correct? Okay. What is good? Good is like अच्छा है, isn't it? Like good. But what is good? What is Rajiv? And why did we use this kind of words or a name of a boy or the quality of a boy in this sentence? Okay? Now, we will learn what every word is all about. See, what is Rajiv? What is good? What is a boy? In terms of what? In terms of grammar. Okay? So, we will learn what this but all kind of words are. Okay, what is the function? Why are we placing Rajiv and after Rajiv why do we place is instead of writing boy? We could have written, right? Rajiv boy, good is. Remember we did that in sentence. A sentence, what is a sentence? A sentence is when a number of words are arranged in a specific order and that makes sense. Right? That is a sentence. But now we have to understand why are we using what is Rajiv and why are we using Rajiv before is what is a boy? Why are we writing boy and good like side by side? Okay. So welcome to our channel eTuition. My name is Amrita and I will be teaching you parts of speech. Okay. What is speech? The talking or the speech or the words that we tell from our mouth is speech, right? Now we will understand what is parts of speech is all about. Parts of speech is the topics or the word that we say. What does that particular word, what is the function, what is the grammatical function of that word? How can we use that word and where do we can use that word? Okay, so we will learn all this in parts of speech. Okay. So let's see. It is a small video, an introduction video. We will be doing further very soon. Okay. So if somebody asks you what is this parts of speech, so I think you should be ready with your answer, right? The part of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. Okay. So what is parts of speech? That indicates, okay, that tells us. What does it tells? That how the word functions, how one word of that speech or one word of a sentence functions. Okay, what is the work of that word in that sentence, the meaning, okay, and the grammatically how is that word in that sentence. Okay, let's see. Rajiv is a boy. Okay, now tell me, like we did, Rajiv is a name of a boy. Remember we did you all have already done I think in class 1, 2 naming word, doing word, describing word and many more words, right? So can you tell me, let's keep it a suspense, okay? And I want everybody to answer me. Can you tell me what is Rajiv? Which kind of word it is? What is good and what is a boy? So, Rajiv is a naming word, correct. Good is a describing word. Now, why is good a describing word? Which word is good describing? Good is describing the word boy. Good is describing the word boy. It is telling us that boy, okay, the word boy, how is that boy? He is good, right? So, good is a describing word. Now, what is boy? Boy is nothing but a naming word again. Okay, let's begin. Let's go to the next part. Now, what is parts of speech? What is parts of speech? Parts of speech are, there are 8 parts of speech, okay? Number 1 is noun. We will go for a detailed class on every topic, okay? Now we are just doing one introduction part so that everything gets clear in your head and you will get to know which one to learn after, okay? Now see. Wait. I think I got disconnected, okay. We completed doing this. We were doing this, correct. Okay, so what is parts of speech? I told you part of speech indicates or tells us the function of that word and how in grammatical use of that word, okay. Now see, first is noun. So noun is a part of a speech. A sentence that we write, every word has a function, every word has a meaning, every word has a usage, okay. Now those words come under these kind of categories, okay. Now see, first is noun. Remember we did Rajiv is a good boy. So Rajiv is a naming word. And what is naming word? Naming word is nothing but noun. Next is pronoun, then adverb, adjective, conjunction, articles, prepositions and verb. Let us repeat it again. You have to repeat it with me, okay? So that you will remember this 8 topics, and we will be covering these 8 topics in details very soon, okay? So first is noun, second pronoun, then adverb, then adjective, then conjunction, article, preposition and verb, okay. Let's see. First, I told you what is noun. Noun is nothing but a naming word. What is verb? Let me explain you in briefly, okay. I will be not going in details. I won't be going in details and I will be just explaining you briefly. Let me just erase this all. Okay. Let's use the color purple. Use the color purple. Let me highlight these. Okay. So what is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Okay. Name of any place, animal, things, person. Okay. You just name anything. That is nothing but a noun. Okay. Now pronoun. Pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Okay, this you have to remember these small descriptions. While we will do a study of all these particular topics, you will understand every inch and bits and bits of it. Okay, so what is pronoun? Pronoun is the word that we use instead of a noun. What is adverb? Adverb is something that describes what the verb is, how the verb is, okay. Now you will ask me, what is verb then, ma'am? Verb is nothing but a doing words. Like I am writing, reading, eating, drinking. What is this? You are doing something, right? जैसे हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, तो वो काम करना, right? So that is nothing but verb. Now see, so if we get to know what is verb, we can also get to know what is adverb. Like let's say for an example, I am eating Maggie slowly. I am eating Maggie slowly. So I am eating. What am I doing? I am eating, right? How am I eating? मैं कैसे खा रही हूँ मैगी? मैं धीरे से खा रही हूँ, है कि नहीं? तो मैं slowly खा रही हूँ मैगी, right? Now see, adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or tells how noun is. Correct. To describe, adjective is also known as the describing words. Okay. So adjective describes how noun is. Okay. Now preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that tells where or the position of the object. Where or the position of the object. Let us see this. I have a book, right? If I keep this book on my hand, so where is the book? It is on my hand. Now if I keep this book under, so where is this book? Under my hand. So what is it showing? It is showing the position or the place where my book is kept, right? My book is kept on the hand as well as under the hand, right? So this on, under, these kind of words are prepositions. Now article. What is an article? Article is nothing but a word that indicates, okay? That indicates us, like an apple, the sun, okay? So these, and, the, a box, a, these words are articles, okay? Now conjunction. So what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins two sentences. Conjunction is a word that joins two sentences. Let me do it here. No. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins two sentences, okay? Like let's say Ram reads in class 4. Let's say Raju, okay? So Ram reads in class 4, Raju reads in class 4, okay? So both are reading in class 4. So how? So if we write this two sentence, isn't it sounding so big? Ram reads in class 4, Raju reads in class 4. What we will do? We will join these two sentences by wording one word, by just adding one word. So what is that word? That is word is and, okay? So Ram and Raju read in class 4. See, isn't it interesting? So these are the topics that we will be covering soon. It was an introduction video. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can comment us below. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this session and we will be meeting soon.